Hi, I'm Lynn Rolfe and I'm Programme Manager for Petrock's Foundation Degree in Human Biosciences. The Foundation Degree is a full-time programme that involves attendance at the main site in Barnstaple on Tuesdays and Fridays during term time. Most of our students progress to the third year at the University of Plymouth to obtain their BSc in Human Biosciences. During the first year, you'll be introduced to a range of disciplines including biochemistry, microbiology, genetics and anatomy. These provide the foundations for more detailed study in Year 2. A major feature of work in Year 1 is the development of graduate skills. This module is delivered by a specialist teacher and is supported by all your module leaders. You'll also learn the important principles of a range of statistical tests that may be employed in the analysis of the results of your research project that you carry out in Year 2. As Programme Manager, I'm responsible for the smooth running and development of the Human Biosciences course, and I also provide advice and support for your learning. Each 20-credit module involves about 200 hours of study during the academic year. You will have 45 hours of teacher-led activities that may be conducted in the laboratory, lecture theatre or online. The remaining 155 hours are fulfilled during your own time, so you will need to be very self-motivated and have good time management skills. There are plenty of resources available to support independent learning, either in our library, on our Moodle, through our ebooks, or via the University of Plymouth Primo portal. Most modules are assessed by just one piece of coursework that makes up 60% of the final result for that module. The remaining 40% is normally assessed by an exam that is taken in June. In Year 1, there are just 2 modules that are 100% coursework. That's developing graduate skills and also the module on statistics. You will find that doing your degree at Petrock is a little cheaper than most universities. You will also have the advantage of being taught in small groups, often by teachers you already know. Over the years, we have worked hard to develop strong links with the university and local employers, and you'll have the benefit of occasional lectures by specialists who are employed locally. We are very proud of the achievements of our past students, and they have the opportunity to attend our graduation ceremony that is held in the Queen's Theatre in September each year. In recent years, several students have gone on to gain first-class honours at Plymouth, and many are employed in the laboratories of local industries. Others have chosen to pursue careers in teaching or industries further afield. Our students come from a variety of academic backgrounds. Most will have a good range of successes at GCSE, including English, Maths and Science. They will also have achieved good grades in a relevant Level 3 course, such as A-Levels, Access or BTEC Science. If you're not sure whether your qualifications are appropriate, please ask at the Advice and Guidance Centre or contact me directly by email. If Human Biosciences sounds like the course for you, you can find further details on our website and you can also apply online. The Advice and Guidance Centre will be able to answer any queries you may have. Thank you, and we hope to see you soon.